No regard whatsoever for
continuing. Now, what we don't know is whether the guy's armed or not.
All right, this guy, as you see there,
Good day, friends. Today we have the Chases with us again. At 12:14 p.m. on January 19, 2024, two patrol officers are driving along Washington Boulevard near its intersection with Raymond Avenue. When the automated license plate recognition system determines that a parked white Ram pickup truck was stolen from its rightful owner several hours earlier, along with a semi-automatic pistol located in the cabin. The partners request backup, a helicopter, when the wanted car starts moving and passes them, heading east on Washington. Already at the intersection with Fremont Avenue, another patrol car appears behind Squad 20 from M33, and one of the department's helicopters arrives in the area.
Southbound Vermont towards the 10 freeway to car traffic stop.
33, we advise he's refusing to stop.
Oh wait, lights on, lights are going on.
He's putting on the emergency lights.
He's putting the lights on, so we'll give him a chance to go to Normandy.
The 10 freeway westbound from Vermont.
He's gonna stop him now.
Wait, give it a second. He has his hazards on, so let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
We're still westbound on Vermont, approaching Normandy exit.
Nah. 33, we're in pursuit, westbound.
Westbound 10 freeway.
Passing the Normandy exit.
Playing on top frequency, standby 23, pursuit over code 37 is westbound 10 freeway from Vermont. Visit back at 30 Reservoir.
Back on, so I don't know if he's gonna stop or not.
2033 is exiting Arlington in the 10 freeway. The unit attack the vehicles on the emergency lights, possibly stopping it.
Air vehicle slowing down for traffic and stopped at the red light at Arlington.
No, he's taking out.
And he's squeezing between vehicles here. Still slow speed. And looks like southbound Arlington from the 10. Disregard. Staying on the 10 freeway at Arlington westbound and speeding up now.
Mayor should be advised there's a stolen gun in the vehicle.
We'll go to tracking.
We'll move on to tracking.
Advise CHP.
Repeat the original information copy you want to track. Vehicle still on the 10 freeway, so guys, just if you want to track it, just have a little bit of space, and we'll keep an eye on
Advise
for you.
CHP.
Still westbound at a high rate of speed now on the 10 freeway.
Advise CHP.
Continue with the fireman type vehicle. Also on the occupants permit. Okay, copy. Off at Crenshaw. We are not tracking, so guys, go ahead and keep up with it. Southbound Crenshaw. I'll try and get a look and see how many people are in it.
33, roger, sir.
Authorize number 6.
Clear?
Everything on the vehicle continues southbound.
close left-hand turn right there. I'm sure he must have made contact with that vehicle. But
that's obviously not stopping him, Roland. We're seeing that he's still continuing his path. I'm not sure if he knows exactly where he's going, but he seems to be sticking around this particular area.
A place to dump the vehicle and set out on foot, but he really doesn't know where he wants to go.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, just made contact with that vehicle right there.
Yeah.
And they have had to pull back, I think, to try and get this guy to slow down, but that doesn't seem to be making any difference right now. Our camera gets kind of wacky here when they come right up underneath the ship. So Center City, just kind of in the fringes of downtown. A lot of the this is areas that like right around Washington, that sort of thing. Heavy commercial area, heavy business area. Michael.
And again, Annabelle mentioned, again, this is lunchtime. A lot of folks are out on the street. We have seen them. And of course, not taking this into consideration as we see speeds of nearly 50 miles an hour here on city streets.
No regard whatsoever for who's in front of him, what's around him, or anything like that. Just someone who is hell-bent on getting away from law enforcement, and we'll do.
We're just getting situated on him here, and he's continuing. Now, what we don't know is whether the guy's armed or not. Almost missed another car here. So again, we're in downtown area. We'll get a better location for you a little bit west of Alameda and north of the 10 freeway.
All right, this guy, as you see there,
Bravo, from Central. Vehicle now westbound 12 from Central.
31 be advised, he has a flat tire.
Vehicle has a flat tire westbound Central.
Stay in the car, stay in the car, stay in the car. Stay in the car.
The vehicle is going to be running southbound, and I'm going to have officers chase it. It looks like a male Hispanic, black hat, black sweatshirt, and running inside a building, stand by in the street. 384 stops, 384 stops, 384 stops, 384.
Yeah, Rich, our cameraman, Rich Prickett, was telling us about what it looked like had in the back, which was a parking lot. Now, is he going to bail out? Okay. I see it, Rich. The guy's running the driver. They have good eyes on the driver along the other side of that truck. They've got plenty of backup units. They should be able to take him in custody. If not, just a quick perimeter. We're going to get on the other side of this building. Again, a pursuit that's been going on for just a few minutes here that started in Olympic.
Hey, stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! You're gonna get shot! Lift your hand! Lift your hand! Lift your hand! Lift your hand! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Show us your hands!
I got you. If you want to holster up, I got you, man. No, we got it. Right here. Arrest you. Get me an arrest you. Don't reach. Holster up. You're gonna be arrested. Me? I got. Good.
Leave it there. Yeah, right there. Roll him over. Roll him over. Hey, if anybody's hit, I think he's shot.
I didn't shoot him. He did shoot. He's side locked.
Yeah.
Let's get all right.
It turns out that the warehouse does not have an accessible passage, and 32-year-old Mario Alvarenga is caught sniffing. Instead of complying with the demands of law enforcement, the man takes a pistol found in the pickup truck out of its holster, but he does not have time to point the weapon at the police. Officers Martin Judava and Racho Apajesus Morales open fire on the suspect, who poses a threat to the life and health of those around him. Almost immediately, a second series of shots follows. An arrest team is formed. The suspect is lying between the boxes. The officer removes his pistol to a safe distance and then cuffs the man's wrists. He is given first aid and carried out into a wider passage inside the warehouse, from where the wounded man is to be taken away by paramedics. While waiting for an ambulance, the officers try to turn the suspect into a stop position, but Alvarenga complains of pain and difficulty staying on his left side. Paramedics arrived and transported the patient to a local hospital, where his condition was described as stable critical. Fortunately, no other participants or witnesses to the incident received any injuries. A Sig Sauer semi-automatic pistol, previously owned by the owner of the pickup, was seized from the scene of the incident and added to evidence in the ongoing investigation. On January 23rd, the suspect in the hospital bed was charged with threatening a police officer with a firearm, illegal concealed carrying of a firearm, theft of a firearm, fleeing from police, and driving a vehicle without the consent of its legal owner. The investigation into the incident, which will examine not only the actions of the officers who fired, but also the law enforcement officers who participated in the pursuit, is ongoing.